In this video, we will show the best drones available to buy. At number 8. Invento Mini Drone. It has excellent motors of 4 cm in length. Package include 4xN30 motor, 4x55 mm propeller. These motors can be used in quadcopter drones. At number 7. DJI Tello Drone with 5MP HD camera. Its 5MP photos preserve great memories with high-resolution pictures. Flying height 50 meters above ground level, electronic image stabilization capture consistently clear images. At number 6. Saima X23 WRC Drone. This drone brings a modern perspective to your photos and videos in the air. The Wi-Fi real-time transmission allows you to view photos and videos while flying. At number 5. Kadhi's Saima Drone RC drone equipped with 720p HD cameras to take aerial photos and videos. Images and videos will be stored in both the app and the mobile album system. At number 4. Super Toy Wi-Fi Camera Drone. Super Toy Wi-Fi Camera Drone professional quadcopter with 2.4 GRC helicopter toy. Battery capacity 360 mAh, 3.7 volt LiPo. At number 3. Talraya Enterprises Smcd Plastic Toys Pioneer Drone. This drone comes with a remote that gives you complete control over it. It's lightweight, easy to learn to fly, and handles great. At number 2. Kids HX750 Drone Quadcopter. This drone adopts 2.4G 6-axis Euro tech. There will be less interference, more stability, and easy maneuverability. At number 1. DJI Tello Drone. Its programming learning MIT-developed coding system allows kids and teens to learn the basics of programming while having fun.